Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to create an amazing and memorable customer experience that creates loyal buyers and repeat buyers. I've broken this up into two sections, before your transaction and after your transaction. So let's get right into it. Number one, create a unique product listing with a positive tone. I know that sounds strange. When you use Marmalead, there is a rating on there that says what the tone of your listing is. And if you've ever read a listing that sounds like this person has been screwed over way too many times, or that they are just sick and tired of repeating answers to questions, then you know what I'm talking about. And we don't want to be those people, so don't. We want to sound enthused that this person is coming and considering our product. And we want to just create a clear description of what we make, how we make it, and how we ship it out. Number two, have your coupon codes in place. Etsy gives you templates for 3. You have your abandoned cart code, which is when people, leave stuff in their cart and they forget about it. It's their incentive to come back. 2 is the favorited listing coupon code. So if somebody favorites, we scroll through and we favorite listings sometimes. It just is that coupon code to say, hey, come back and get it. And then number 3 is the thank you for after they purchase, which is even more important because people look for those all the time. Number 3, have your message to buyers set up and put into place. I want you to remember 3 things when you're writing that message to buyer. A, B, C. Appreciate the buyer. Tell them thank you for their support and how much it means to you. B is to be there. People are emotional beings. They need support. Offer it. Say, if something's wrong with your order, contact me, let me know. If you have any questions about your order, contact me, let me know. Be there for them. And then C is to connect with them. Leave your links to your social media, to your website. Promote yourself a little bit. This is not a direct connection with this person. This isn't, Etsy messaging them. This is just a note that goes with the receipt to their transaction. Number 4, provide an updated shop announcement. Always update that shop announcement and leave your links in there. This is another place to promote yourself. People are likely to go onto that shop announcement to either look for codes or to get to your Instagram to see how you handle your business, to see if you are a real person and if they can trust your business. People want that. They want trust and support. When doing this, please, for the love of God, do not have reels or TikToks or stories bashing customers. This is not okay as a human being. God forbid a potential customer goes in, sees that, and now they have all these questions like, why should I support them? And why should I give them my money if they're not going to appreciate me? Or what happens if I have a question and I can't answer it because they're going to make a TikTok of me? It just depletes your reputation. And you don't want to deplete your reputation before it's even gotten started, honey. Don't do it. It also makes you look like you cannot handle constructive criticism because, God forbid, you do have an order or you're in the wrong. And now you messed it up because somebody saw you bashing someone and it looks like you can't fix those wrongs or you can't handle the heat, honestly. So maybe this is not the job for you if you cannot handle customer service correctly. I have heckin' allergies today, so please, if my face looks weird or my nose is red, I can't breathe. So now you've gotten the sale, and this is what to do after. Number 1, have a packaging plan in place. This is your time to shine. You don't need to spend a lot of money on this, guys. Please don't. Your first order should be able to cover the cost of those shipping materials that you use for it. You don't need to get professionally printed business cards or thank yous. In fact, people love handwritten notes. It just makes it that much more special. People come to Etsy for handmade items and a handmade experience, so wouldn't it make sense to leave a little handwritten note at least. You can make stamped business cards. You can leave a Spotify code to a favorite song of yours. You know, decorate your rigid mailers, something like that. You can find a way to make it special. Just think about all the times you've ordered something from Etsy and it involved something handmade and you had that struggle of like, do I throw it away or do I keep it? I kind of want to keep it. You want people to have that conflict. Number 2 is to ship in a timely manner. Y'all, let me put you on something because this is a little Etsy life hack. Say you often ship things in 1 to 2 days, all right? Well, put your shipping time to 3 to 5 days. So then when you do ship in 1 to 2 days, Etsy knows that you ship before your actual shipping times, which in return can give you that pretty little quick to ship badge. I've gotten it once. It was replaced with other badges. Etsy's always testing badges, so one badge you might have one day won't be the next one. And they're all just turning or whatever. Or instead of that badge, say you got a nice little review that said how quickly you shipped. That's like a little win in itself because other customers will come into your reviews, read through reviews, and see that you ship quickly. And you know, people come on Etsy and they buy gifts too late and things like that. So that's more of an incentive for them to purchase from you and to keep coming back because they know that their stuff's always going to be shipped quickly. It makes people feel like a priority. Number 3, wait for the review, and when you get that review, especially if it's your first review, go ahead and message them on Etsy and tell them thank you again. Just a tiny thank you. Tell them that their thank you coupon's on the way, you know, give them more incentive to come back. Be personable with them. This is your first interaction, to be personable. This would not be the time to insert your Instagram. Just saying, because they've already gotten your links. Don't do it. Number 4, if they tag you on Instagram, say they didn't leave a review, but they posted your stuff on their story, say thank you if you want. This is a true sign of that you've broken the barrier and that now they're here because they actually want to follow your stuff and they want to know what you're up to. So this is the place to be a kind human. Since it breaks that barrier, I'll use my example, but I've had a lot of people tell me their story through Instagram or ask for prayer or, you know, ask for emotional support, and that's okay. And as somebody who struggles with mental health and mental illness, it does not at all deplete it in any way. I think kind of a basic human necessity is to be able to give back to others. Honestly, it's not going to take tons of time out of my day to pray for someone or to just talk to them on Instagram when I'm already on Instagram all day anyway, you know? So it's that be there. It's that be there place. So eventually all these efforts will unfold and you'll build an amazing reputation for your business and for you as a person, not just a section in the marketplace of Etsy. You really have to have humility when it comes to this, when it comes to being a business owner, because you have to have some type of customer service skill. You have to be a kind person. If you're the type of person who would customer bash, maybe this is not the place for you. This is not the job for you. If you need to take constructive criticism, you really have to learn to take it and to, you know, fix mistakes. You have to have humility, guys. Be open for people. We're emotional beings. Your product is providing relief or sanity or reminders or a solution to a problem. When you change your perspective to that, then you truly become passionate about your business and passionate about people, because they are the building blocks to your journey. They are the building blocks to your business success, your Etsy success. Appreciate people, be there for them. Eventually they will fall in love with you and fall in love with your product and your process and everything under the sun. Not just the products, but you as a person, your journey, your Etsy success. People want to see you succeed. They want to help you succeed and become repeat buyers and tell their friends about you. I hope this helped you understand the point of customer experience, and it offered you a template or ideas of what to do to get started, because Etsy doesn't have an instruction manual. Sometimes you're just at a loss. So I hope this helped you. If it did and you want to see more Etsy advice, more small business advice, go ahead, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe, the whole 9 yards, and I will be posting every Tuesday and Friday. I will be posting every Tuesday and Friday. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. I'd love to answer all of your Etsy questions, or if you want to answer somebody else's question, or you want to tell us how you provide customer experience, go ahead and tell us that. This is a community. This is not competition. We want to keep Etsy as a unit, all of us shop owners, and help each other. That's how we keep it running and how we keep it friendly. Thanks for watching, y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!